Upon walking into Hearthstone, we really enjoyed the decor and the colors in here. It was warm and inviting, tones of wood, deep yellows, navy blue pleather. It all really worked together with the brick, the woods. It was a really comforting and homey environment. Just walking in made us want to stay. One of the reasons why we picked this place is because we heard that it was family friendly. They were really accommodating and brought us out high chairs, and everything was clean and sanitary. The menu was New American Rustic, and they had a lot of good things to choose from. The employees were all masked, and there were sanitizing stations throughout, which made us feel good with bringing our family there. Two of the kids ordered a croissant sandwich, which was excellent, and a kid's grilled cheese pizza. They had really good coffee, and they served the cream separate in these cute little cups. A little hard to pour from, but still fun. This was their cinnamon sticky buns, and we were actually delighted because we were not expecting that presentation. And this here is their fruit. They also have an in-house oyster bar. And this tile was just very neat and detailed, nothing like I've ever seen before. Now it's time for my brother to be the cameraman because today is Mom's birthday and she's the star of the show. Mom went big for her birthday and ordered this French dipped sandwich. She really enjoyed it. Mom never had avocado toast with a poached egg on top, so I had to share it with her. My brother's doing a really good job being cameraman, and he got this order of these lollipop buffalo chicken wings. Aren't these really cool? Very unique way to serve them. Normally when they do lollipop style, it's so they're easier to eat, but this was messy, but still worth it. Come on, brother. All right, now brother's got the camera on right. We have to tell him that he's going to be fired if he doesn't film correctly. This was Hearthstone take on chicken and waffles. The whole dish was devoured. Now outside they had a beautiful seating area with misters, and the ambiance was great for sitting outside. You even see plexiglass in between the seats. This restaurant really thought of everything, and it was beautiful scenery, and we'll definitely be back for brunch again.